Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog again. MRK Studio is back. Today we are discussing and showing tutorial of how can you code with array and strings. Okay. Pero before lahat, what is an array? An array is a collection of items of the same type stored in a contiguous memory location. You can use arrays to store multiple values in a single variable, making easier to manage related data. The key points about arrays in C# have a fixed size. You must define the size when creating one. They store values of the data type, like integers, strings, yeah, different kinds. Array elements access using their index, starting from 0. What is a string? A string is a sequence of characters used to represent text in C#. Strings are immutable, meaning their value cannot be changed after creation. You can create a new string based on an existing one. Key points about strings. Strings in C# are enclosed in double quotes, two quotations. The string type in C# provides many built-in methods for text manipulation, finding length, concatenating, replacing text. Next is I'm going to show you a sample of array and strings. These are the example of strings and array. An array is a collection of elements of the same type. In this example, fruit is an array of strings holding names of fruits: apple, banana, cherry, mango. Fruits allow access to each element using its index. The for loop iterates through elements in the array. Yung list ng fruits. Ito yung fruits length. Dito yung sa string, dito yung sequence of characters holds a simple string. As dito po tayo manipulate ng strings, like to upper, yung to upper is to converts the string to uppercase, tas yung to lower yung niko-convert ng lowercase. Tapos yung length, yung binibigay niya yung character ng string. Sentence length, ibigay niyo yung length ng sentence, index 0 to 22. Bilangan natin 1, 2, 3, pati space kasama, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. See? 22. Kaya dito nagpe-print siya ng 22 yung length. Pinakuha niya yung length ng binibigay yung value sa string. Ito. C# programming is fun. C# programming is fun. Yan lang kadali. String. I-lista nyo lang yung mga gusto nyo yung gamit. Isip lang kayo ng anong klaseng tawag dito. Anong gusto nyo yung lagay. Tapos yung mga listahan. Ito yung mga listahan. Ito yung lumalabas dito. Kasi piprint out natin. Ito yan. Piprint out natin. Tapos dito naman sa console.writeline, tapos lagyan nyo lang list of fruits. Ito. Yan. Pero basta mga dahil gumawa tayo ng for loop. Int I equals to 0, semicolon, and greater than friend, not length. I think connected din yan dito. Yan. Basic array and actually marami pa tayong pwedeng gawin sa array, pero since we don't have such time to siguro next time magawa natin ng video. Pero yun basics lang tayo kasi we're not professional, we're just a student teaching what I have learned from school, just sharing my mga natutunan, my knowledge. Okay, thank you. Goodbye. I'm Mark K. Studio again. Goodbye.